Welcome. In this video, I will explain what to do if you got an overheating warning on your DREAME TV. First of all, ensure the TV has a good position for air ventilation. Make sure that your TV has at least 10 centimeters of clearance on all sides for better ventilation. 10 centimeters is around 4 inches if you prefer the imperial units, and also remove any dust from the vents of your TV. Use a soft brush for it, and first of all unplug your TV from the power source before doing that, and then use a soft brush to carefully dust your TV vents. After that you should turn on the TV again, and first of all go to quick settings, then open all settings menu, then in system, so go to power and energy modes, and select the low energy mode in here, temporarily at least. And also let's go to picture settings, so press the gear button once again and select picture, and change the picture, either change the picture mode to energy saving, or if you prefer another mode, then temporarily reduce the backlight of your TV and also reduce the maximum brightness level. And so yeah, that's basically what you can do. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.